what do I say? How do you feel being in Ranchi first? Like how?
Amazing.
Your first time?
No, not at all. It's my fourth
You?
time.
Fourth time?
This is the fourth or fifth time, I think.
My
you've been
first.
here. I think probably for the first time you're here with the legend.
Okay.
But this
And-
is crazy.
Okay.
This place is crazy.
I mean,
Yeah. Any
you can't
comments?
explain. You can't explain about this whole setup.
The old likes.
Any comments on this?
Unless and until someone is mad about this, you can't.
I'll take a video.
Weird. All this. पता नहीं ये बाइक शोरूम हो सकता है ये.
इसीलिए जब ये बन रहा था ना तो हम लोग पे बहुत बड़ा था.
Yeah, it's full. It's full.
जब ये बन रहा था हम साक्षी बोलते थे कि
Mahi, why?
ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं बन रहा है.
Why? Why?
Because you took everything, so I needed to have something of my own. So this is the only thing you allowed. That also you wanted after the badminton court. I said no, it will be before the badminton court.
Which one?
There's a badminton court on that.
Oh, okay.
Oh god. No, this is
Crazy.
There's no.
Someone
explanation,
needs
I
to
would say.
have
There's no explanation.
hell of a
for
lot
this.
of passion to do something else or to have something else. I'm telling you. Otherwise,
No, what's the-
or someone has to be mad.
Mad, I would
I
say.
think it's
Yeah.
passion. I mean, you call
Yes,
it,
that's me. You have to be
passion, man.
crazy about this. Yeah.
इसलिए आपको बाइक का एक कहानी बताता हूँ. ये जब पहला आड़े था ना मई का तो हम लोग पहले घूमने निकलते थे तो क्या था ना कि चलते वक्त तेल खत्म हो जाता था. उसका हम लोग कार से तेल मंगाते थे.